mentioned to myself, I said, hey, self, you're probably going on this. You told everybody about this power outage you had, but you didn't check your damn microphone. And there it is, my microphone. So you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to rewind all of this, and I'm sure all of you were just sitting there yelling at the screen saying, Ernie, there's no microphone. Anyways, we're starting all over again. And I'll try to contain my unbridled enthusiasm for what's happening this morning. But in any event, markets are surging this morning as the U.S. and China announce a significant tariff reduction, igniting investor optimism and triggering a substantial gap up across all the major indices. See, over the weekend, the U.S. trade team and China reduced a pivotal reached. Geez, I cannot talk. We had a nice, beautiful day yesterday. It was Mother's Day. Brought the wife and my family over to Martha's Vineyard. Tooled around the entire island. Had a great time. Brought the dogs with us. It was fantastic. And so I'm still sort of buzzing from that. That was a great time. And now I'm trying to get myself all geared up for this unbelievable week that's ahead of us. But anyways, the U.S. and China have reached a pivotal agreement to slash tariffs significantly, marking a 90-day pause in their ongoing trade tensions. I love that 90-day stuff. You always gotta leave it some sort of sunset so that they're always thinking or staying on their toes. The opponent, that is. But anyways, this development has catalyzed a robust rally in global markets as of 7 a.m. Eastern Time. Futures indicate a strong opening with the S&P up. S&P is up about 3%. Dow Jones is up about 2.4%. The NASDAQ up 4%. And the VIX, which is a measure of the of volatility, market volatility, also known as the fear index, is down by about 8%. That's unreal. So this environment presents a potential opportunity for zero DTE strategies, particularly in identifying asymmetric setups that capitalize on the current market momentum. But more important, and I'll mention this in a bit, when I'm going to talk about my Fat Tail AI service. If you go to the Skool community and look up Fat Tail space AI, and you're going to find that if you had been following that in the previous couple of weeks, you would be waking up this morning way richer. That's all I can say. Way richer. Following this segment, we're going to delve into our standard zero DTE morning analysis, evaluating VIX levels, assessing current market volatility and its implications for the trading day, and then we're going to look at the big ass fly. I don't know that I have that big ass fly all set up yet. What is it asking me to do? Oh, it wants the security code. What is the security code? Hold on. Oh. I'm almost there. All right. Two-factor authentication, very important. But anyways, the big ass fly that's going to identify potential butterfly spread opportunities with a favorable risk to reward profiles. Although this morning I would say that that's probably not going to be the case with volatility down so much. I would expect that the big ass fly is going to be significantly more expensive. So, but we'll see. We'll see how that all works out. Oh man. Yeah, screwed that up. So forget about the big ass fly. But let's get right to it. What we need to do is we need to go to the charts. Oh, we're already at the charts. Damn. All right. So there's the VIX down bigly. Yeah, down 8.77%. Our market direction is like a no-brainer. We are with an immense gap up. Huge gap up. Will we fill that gap? I don't think so. This is going to be one of those gaps we don't fill. And now let's go on to our market structure. Well, you can see this huge gap up. Where we, oh, look at this. We blasted through the freedom node, as I talked about last week. Let's take a look at what that looks like on the big picture. See, that's the freedom node right there. Right through it. I mean, like it didn't even exist. Now we are clearing the way for all-time highs coming very soon. Like I said, if you were in our fat tail trades, and if you want to learn how to be a fat tail trader, you would be waking up this morning with, I don't know how to explain this. This looks like about a 2 standard deviation move at least. I think it's going to turn into a 3, maybe a 4. We are talking about, if you traded like I was talking about, you would be talking about life-changing potential returns. All right? That's what I'm saying. That's what I'm saying. And so if you'd like to learn how to trade that way, go down below. The link is in the description. Go to the Skool, Fat Tail, join it. It's going to be the best thing, best choice you ever made. Also, within that, there's an incredible AI mastery course. So it's all embedded in the same thing because we use AI to lead us through this fat tail analysis and trading and through the whole course and everything else. But then the AI is a separate course that will teach you how to master AI introduction, create a master prompt. The master prompt will just blow you away. It will absolutely transform everything that you do in your interaction with AI, whether it's ChatGPT or Claude or Lambda or whatever it is. It doesn't matter. So go down below and you will thank me. Trust me. All right. So that's enough of that. So we had the big faux pas. I was so excited about bringing all this stuff. And then I realized, oh, crap, I had that power outage over the weekend while I was gone. I forgot to check my mic. Damn. So I'll go back, and once this is uploaded, I will then compress and get rid of all that so people can don't have to go through the first 5 minutes of me just not saying anything. I'm going to hear it from everybody. One part of me says, hey, Ernie, just do it over. And I might do that. So in any event, that's it. So if I don't do it over, this is Coach Ernie out.